This is the performance summary for the weekly reversion strategy for week ending June 19th. Let's start by inputting the account balance into the spreadsheet. So I made a little bit last week, up $182, which is a percentage gain of 0.98%. And these were the 5 positions that were held in the portfolio last week. First one is Apple. Apple was up 1.32% over the week. And this is how the trade looked for Apple. We had a bit of a shortened week last week. So based on the dip in the recent past, strategy entered here on Monday and sold here at the close of Thursday. Next one was Amazon, down 0.26%. Entered here and exited here for a slight loss. Next one is Broadcom AVGO. That one was up 4%. That's the best trade of the week. And this is what trade looked like. Entered here on Monday, sold here for a 4% gain. Next one is Nvidia, up 0.85%. Similar looking pattern to Broadcom. So we got in here and got out here. And the last one was Exxon Mobil, down 1.38%. And so we bought the dip here. But with the resolution of the Iran war, at least for the time being, it went down and we lost money. Now let's input the current balance into the cumulative tab. And the yellow line is the actual account growth using the current version of the strategy. That's starting in April 2025. And the thin gray line is the S&P 500. So we're catching up to the benchmark. And let's look at the performance long term. Long term, this is the back test going from 1994 to present date. And over that time frame, the strategy's annualized return is 20% compared to about 9% for the S&P 500. And year to date, the strategy is up 21%, whereas the S&P 500 is only up 9% for the year. And this is what the long-term back-tested equity curve looks like compared to the gray line, which is the S&P 500. So if you'd like to learn more about weekly reversion, or you'd like to sign up for my Signal service where I email you the stock picks on a weekly basis, please visit my website at returnstream.com. Link is below. Thank you.